Welcome to eBOM's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn how to do installation of Linux OS, Ubuntu, in your computer. What is the computer installation? This is how to connect the computer before use, for example install it with operating system, driver, Microsoft Office, Adobe and so on, and connect it also to the keyboard, monitor, mouse and to the power either direct or indirect. First, before we continue with installation, we need to connect the computer to the monitor, keyboard and mouse and to the power through UPS or direct to the main supply. After that we switch on the computer and insert the CD which contain operating system and continue. What is the formatting of a computer? Is the process of remove or delete software, program or data in a computer. For example, we format operating system due to virus and replace it with another operating system, or format data and replace it with new data. There are many methods of formatting computer, either through the disk by go to my computer on your desktop and erase all data from it. If your computer has affected by virus, the best way is to format the computer. I will explain later. How to format the computer. The following are the steps to follow when you format your computer. Step 1. Insert the CD-ROM or DVD-ROM or USB flash which has operating system like Windows 10 Professional and insert it in your computer and restart your computer. You can download the setup from Ubuntu website, or you can check the setup program from Google search and download it. Step 2. After restart your computer, then press F2 immediately for setup your computer and then choose BIOS setting, then in system configuration choose SATA operation and select ATA or AC mode and then apply and exit. Step 3. After that the system will restart again and immediately press F12 if you use Dell computer and F9 if you use HP computer. For other user of computer, you can check your manufacturer website for BIOS setting of your computer. To boot using CD-ROM, then after the boot menu appear, select the CD-ROM to boot up operating system and then press enter, then the computer will ask you to press any key to boot from CD. This process will be also used when using USB flash drive. Follow the same procedure. Step 4. Now let's start the installation of Ubuntu OS in your computer. After the setup start, you will see the following dialog box as shown below. You need to press the Install Ubuntu as shown below to start the installation of Ubuntu OS. Steps 5. The setup will start and ask you to continue. Please click Continue Now button to proceed with the installation as shown. Step 6. Then the dialog box appears as shown below. You will need to select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu and click Install Now to proceed with the installation. Step 7. The following dialog box will appear, ask you to continue as shown below. You must click Continue. Step 8. In the following dialog box appear, it will ask you to fill your current location where you live now. Please fill in your country in the box as shown. Step 9. Select your keyboard layout as shown in the figure below and then continue to another step. Step 10. Choose your city now as shown in the figure below and continue to the next step. Step 11. Create an account for this PC. You can enter your name or any name you want your PC to have as shown below, then continue. Step 12. After that the installation is completed and the screen will show as figure below. This is how to install Ubuntu OS in your computer. Follow the process above carefully in order to ensure that you follow the process list above as it is. In case you skip any step, the installation will not continue, or you do it wrong, you can damage your computer. If you are not expert, do not try to do this installation. Instead, find someone who is experienced who can help you install this software in your computer. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.